Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. For example, with the usage of the dialer, it does not really matter. Just open it, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. And let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on add picture or the circle, whatever. Here we've got some categories from which we can choose the photo or picture from. Let's start with the illustration. So here we've got free of charge graphics, which we can download, or actually not even download. Simply tap on it and apply it in on the contact. So if you do not have the photo of the person you'd like to customize the contact for, you can choose something from those options. I'm pretty sure that you will find some beautiful graphics to choose from. Here you've got Google Photos, so basically your backed up photos, and device photos, where you can choose the camera, and after that your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So let me tap on it. Just find the photo and tap. And right now in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want and tap on choose. And as you can see here we've got our photo, so let's tap on save if you're happy with the results. And here we've got our contact with the photo assigned. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.